Oi, he's going to break himself. Oi. When I blow it up in his face.
Remember, can't zoom on this, isn't it? Not that bit,
But not on Facebook, Corey.
No.
No,
Not from
my
Facebook.
old dear will see it.
I ain't putting it on Facebook.
Your old dear see it.
Sorry, lad.
That's half a can.
Where's
There,
the
innit?
can?
Guess how much of a knob you are? My mum's seen that video of Ryan fucking me.
It's gone. Can's on.
It's about to go. Oh, Charlie, turn it off quickly.
Can I want to hear this?
You'll see it, mate.
I want to hear it as well.
No.
How are we putting it out?
Not. For believe.
Run!
Is it me or can I just hear it?
I can hear it. Might be on, but it's close, aren't it?
Come in!
I was going to go and have a piss on it, but then I remembered there's a can in it.
Oh! In the balls! What? So that pops when you get there right now.
Look at that. It's melted.
The can?
It's melting. Look, look.
Oh, yeah, shit. The bottom.
The can ain't gone yet.
Right, you were there when we shit ourselves, weren't you? Over there. We were shitting, they were shitting themselves. Oh, yeah.
That's the can.
Can's gone.
Is the can gone?
How do you know that?
It's here.
There was half a can there, wasn't there?
No, it's only it's good. It's air freshener.
The can's gone.
Whoa! Fucking hell!